Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamantungwa Khumalo. Here's a grant for first-time home buyers. If you're a first-time home buyer with a combined household income between 3,501 and 22,000 Rand, then FLISP might just be the product for you. Now, this is an initiative by the Department of Housing that's aimed at helping first-time home buyers access property. FLISP is an initiative by the Department of Human Settlement to assist first-time home buyers on their journey. This amount is a once-off lump sum payment that can be used towards bond registration attorneys or transfer fees, or even to put a deposit down. So what are the requirements? First, you must be 18 years or older, must be a South African, already have an approved or pre-approved bond from a financial institution. You must not have benefited from any other schemes from the Department of Human Settlement, and you must have a dependent. What's important to note is that this subsidy is registered over a property and works on a sliding scale. For more tips and advice on all things property, go to our blog on www.builders.co.za.